Hello, and thank you for liking the WebEP Facebook page. WebEP stands for Virtual Executive Pastor, and I am Pastor Rona Michelle Williams, your ministry maven. Let's make sure that you're able to view everything that WebEP uploads to our Facebook page. In order to do that, let's follow these steps. Go to your Facebook page. In the search bar, after you like WebEP, search for it by typing in My Web EP. There it is. Let's give a click on that. WebEP comes up in your results. Let's click on that. And here you are at our Facebook page. Now I'm going to make sure that I'm viewing this as a visitor and not as administrator so that you can see exactly what you should do. Here we go. So now this is what the web page will look like for you on Facebook. And to ensure that you are seeing all of the latest updates for WebEP, just click on this following tag. And then let's select a few defaults. We don't want the default option, which is typically what you see in Facebook when you come in to a page that you've just liked. It's usually click default. Let's change that. Let's make it see first instead. Also, under your notifications, usually it's not all on for you. So you want to just make sure that you click on all on again so that you see all of the posts that WebEP uploads to our Facebook page. That way you'll be sure to get information, live broadcasts, posts, blog entries, freebies, everything that WebEP provides in the future. Thanks so much for liking our page. Again, this is your ministry maven, Pastor Rona Michelle Williams.